What's up, YouTube? Irish USMC Vet here. Hey, guys and gals. I'm working on the Jeep top, the XJ, and putting on the Reflectex stuff that I talked about in my earlier videos. You have to remove the foam strip here, which keeps the roof from vibrating. But we don't need that because we're putting the Reflectex, whatever, insulation on there. So what we're going to be using is this stuff right here. Okay. And then for the adhesive, I'm using, and it's not going to show up, 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. Dries quickly and clear, commercial strength. Covers 220 square feet. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to coat it all after I finish removing this strip that goes over there, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. And like I said, it's for the 01 Jeep XJ. Alright, guys and gals, be back.